Welcome to Joiin. We want you to get the most out of your trial. In as little as 6.5 minutes, you can create group-level financial reports that save you hours at month's end, eliminating the need for spreadsheets and preventing human errors. Simply add your companies from Xero, QuickBooks Online or Sage. Alternatively, import data from other sources using our Smart Import, which leverages cutting-edge AI. Straight out the box, run pre-built consolidated reports. Dive deeper into the numbers, click on any figure and see the journals that make up that account. Then drill down directly into Xero, QuickBooks Online or Sage to see the source financial document. Or view your group's KPIs at a glance on your customizable dashboard. Create your own bespoke reports with configurable mapping, charts and formulas. Or use our global search to find any financial document across your group. Joiin has lots of other features such as multi-currency reporting, group structures, multi-client for accountants, intercompany eliminations and easily shareable report packs. If you haven't already, sign up for your free trial today.